It is just a two-step process to fix kernelbase.dll in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type device manager. Click here to open it. On this window, expand display adapter. Right click on this and click on update driver. Select this option. It will take some time to update its driver. Wait until its process completes. The drivers of your device is already installed, so I will close it. Close all windows. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Now type sfc/scan now and hit enter. This will also take some time to complete its process. After that, close all windows and just restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You're good to go.